Hi, today we are going to be doing some summer planting. This is some kale that I planted during the fall, but you could also sow some during the summer. I saw some cabbage aphids on it, also known as brevicorn brassicae. So I sprayed some water and dish soap, but I'm also going to get some ladybugs. I'm also planting some chives as well as microgreens and some beets. This variety is called Badger Sweet and it is from the company called Row 7 and it is known to be sweeter than others. I'm also growing melons and it is recommended to sow them when the soil is above 70 degrees. So summer is perfect and I am growing a few different varieties of tomatoes. They don't tolerate heat above 90 degrees, so you could always add some shade cloth or mulch. Even though carrots are a cool season crop, you could still grow them during the summer if you provide enough shade. So is broccoli, so I'm going to be adding some mulch. I am growing a Congo watermelon, and it is an heirloom variety that is disease resistant to anthracnose, which is a fungal disease that causes brown spots on foliage and fruit. I'm also sowing some sweet peas, chamomile, and some seashell cosmos. Seashell cosmos attract pollinators to the garden, as well as zinnias. I really want to make pickles, so I started growing some dill and soon I will sow some cucumber seeds. I'm not sure what bit my cactus, but I'm pretty sure it was a squirrel. I've seen them try to eat it before. So I've been reorganizing some of my cacti and we'll have a video of them soon. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a good day.